everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for exquisite garden inspiration and expert guidance. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of spending endless hours weeding, pruning, and battling an overgrown garden? Imagine a serene outdoor sanctuary that calms your senses and requires minimal effort to maintain. If this sounds like a dream, then minimalist garden design might be your reality. This revolutionary approach to landscaping is gaining popularity for its ability to transform chaotic spaces into havens of tranquility and style. Minimalist garden design is all about embracing simplicity, clean lines, and a less is more philosophy. It focuses on creating a harmonious and uncluttered outdoor space by using a limited palette of materials, plants, and colors. Think geometric shapes, carefully chosen focal points, and an emphasis on negative space. It's not about emptiness, but rather about intentionality and highlighting the essential beauty of each element. This design philosophy draws inspiration from modern art in Japanese gardens, prioritizing functionality, visual balance, and a sense of calm. Beyond its striking aesthetic, a minimalist garden offers a wealth of practical advantages, such as: first, low maintenance. With fewer plants and simpler layouts, you'll drastically cut down on gardening chores, freeing up your time for relaxation. Second, cost-effective. Less is truly more when it comes to your budget. Fewer materials and plants mean lower initial costs and ongoing expenses. Third, enhanced serenity. The uncluttered nature of a minimalist garden creates a peaceful and calming atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Fourth, increased space perception. By strategically utilizing open areas, a minimalist design can make even small gardens feel more expansive and open. Fifth, year-round appeal. With a focus on structural elements and evergreen plants, your minimalist garden can maintain its beauty throughout every season. Sixth, sustainable choice. Often incorporating drought-tolerant plants and permeable surfaces, minimalist gardens can be an environmentally friendly option, ready to transform your outdoor space into a sanctuary of simplicity and style. Embrace the minimalist approach and discover the joy of a garden that works for you, not against you. Explore our guides on selecting the perfect minimalist plants for your climate, or discover stunning examples of minimalist garden layouts to inspire your own design journey. I've always believed that a minimalist garden brings a sense of calm and purpose to outdoor spaces. These curated garden ideas embrace clean lines and thoughtful simplicity, transforming even the smallest areas into serene retreats that require minimal maintenance. Whether you have a compact courtyard or sprawling grounds, these minimalist designs will show you how to create an elegant outdoor sanctuary that feels both modern and timeless. One, rear doors welcome you home. A minimalist garden entrance creates a serene transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, with the polished concrete path and ambient LED floor lighting offering both visual impact and practical nighttime navigation. The combination of a sleek glass door and matte black frame delivers clean lines while maximizing natural light, making understanding minimalist color schemes easier as you watch how sunlight plays across different materials throughout the day. This thoughtful arrangement, anchored by a single Japanese maple and geometric planter, not only reduces maintenance needs but also creates a calming view that you'll appreciate every time you arrive home, particularly after a busy day when the illuminated path guides you straight to your door. 2, brickwork adds timeless appeal. A textured gray brick wall serves as both a bold architectural statement and a low-maintenance backdrop that anchors any minimalist garden design, much like how refined mudroom designs rely on durable materials to create lasting appeal. The clean vertical lines of exposed brick provide visual interest throughout the seasons while requiring virtually no upkeep, allowing you to focus on maintaining just a few carefully chosen plantings like a striking Japanese maple. When paired with geometric concrete pavers and a floating wooden deck, the brick's natural weathered patina creates depth and character that grows more beautiful over time, while providing an ideal neutral canvas for dramatic shadow play as sunlight shifts throughout the day. 3. Lighting creates magic moments. Strategic lighting placement transforms a minimalist garden into an enchanting nighttime retreat, where a sculptural pendant casts gentle moon-like shadows across polished concrete paths and white gravel surfaces. The thoughtful combination of illumination and simple elements, like a sleek metal bench positioned near a statement bamboo plant, creates the same serene atmosphere that makes Mediterranean garden spaces so transportive and peaceful. A minimalist approach to both hardscaping and lighting helps reduce maintenance while maximizing the drama of evening entertaining, turning an ordinary backyard into a sophisticated outdoor living space that feels purposeful and calming after sunset. 4. Cladding protects with style. The sleek black metal cladding with geometric panels doesn't just create striking curb appeal. It acts as a durable shield against weather while requiring minimal maintenance, much like the principles we use to create clutter-free focus in minimalist office spaces. This modern exterior treatment pairs naturally with the clean-lined concrete planters and Zen rock arrangements, allowing you to maintain a crisp aesthetic without constant upkeep. The protective cladding system creates a perfect backdrop for architectural lighting and helps regulate temperature, making your minimalist garden more comfortable and energy efficient throughout changing seasons, while the structured design keeps maintenance simple and straightforward. 5. Landscaping transforms your space. A minimalist garden creates a peaceful retreat by combining essential elements like geometric gravel beds, strategic lighting, and carefully placed greenery to maximize visual impact while minimizing maintenance needs. The thoughtful arrangement of a single maple tree and bamboo clusters against a clean white wall provides natural privacy and seasonal interest without overwhelming the space. Much like creating an elegant minimalist dining room relies on selecting fewer, more impactful pieces. The integration of practical features such as recessed ground lighting and a sleek concrete bench transforms this low-maintenance design into a functional outdoor living space that can be enjoyed both day and night, while the natural stone pathway offers clear circulation and purposeful movement through the garden. 6. Walkways guide your journey. A well-designed walkway does more than just connect spaces in your minimalist garden. It creates an intentional journey that guides movement while adding architectural interest through clean geometric lines and thoughtful lighting. The combination of smooth concrete paths with complementary pale gravel delivers both visual continuity and practical drainage, while ground-level LED lighting transforms the space into an enchanting nighttime destination that's also safer to navigate. Just as the understated elements of a breathtaking minimalist kitchen work together to create flow and function, strategic placement of sculptural bamboo, and a single Japanese maple along the path delivers maximum impact with minimal maintenance, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your outdoor sanctuary rather than maintaining it. 7. Balconies extend living areas. A minimalist garden approach transforms outdoor balconies into serene extensions of your living space, where clean lines and purposeful elements like a single bamboo plant create visual calm without overwhelming maintenance. The combination of transparent glass railings and low-profile furniture maintains clear sightlines while maximizing the feeling of openness, making even compact balconies feel spacious and connected to nature, a design principle that consistently appears in minimalist bathroom ideas that elevate everyday spaces. Strategic placement of weather-resistant materials like concrete flooring and teak furnishings ensures these outdoor rooms remain practical and beautiful year-round, allowing you to enjoy morning coffee or evening relaxation in a space that feels both sophisticated and welcoming without requiring constant upkeep. 8. Patios connect indoor-outside. A minimalist garden approach creates a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, with clean-lined elements like floor-to-ceiling glass doors making the patio feel like a natural extension of your minimalist living room. The combination of smooth concrete flooring, crisp white walls, and carefully chosen statement pieces like a sculptural plant or sleek metal furniture keeps the eye moving while maintaining a sense of calm and order. This thoughtful restraint in design elements not only makes the space easier to maintain, but also provides a versatile backdrop for both quiet morning meditation and evening entertainment, while the addition of subtle features like a modern water fountain helps mask urban noise and creates a peaceful atmosphere that can be enjoyed year-round. 9. Terraces elevate outdoor living. A minimalist garden terrace creates a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, with elevated concrete platforms and clean metal railings providing both safety and style without blocking natural light or views. The thoughtful combination of light gray stone flooring and sparse furnishings, like a single teak lounge chair and strategically placed bamboo plant, delivers the same serene simplicity that makes minimalist hallway designs so appealing and functional. This simplified outdoor layout not only reduces maintenance time but also transforms your terrace into a calming retreat where you can fully appreciate the interplay of sunlight, shadow, and carefully chosen natural materials throughout the day. Ten swimming pools cool summer days. A minimalist garden centered around a rectangular pool creates a serene outdoor retreat that serves both form and function, with the clean lines and uncluttered layout promoting the same sense of calm that makes minimalist bedroom designs so effective for relaxation. The combination of light gray concrete decking and crisp white walls maximizes natural light reflection, keeping the space feeling bright and open while reducing heat absorption during summer months. The strategic placement of singular elements like a streamlined lounger and potted bamboo maintains visual simplicity while providing essential shade and seating, and the floating glass pool house offers a practical transition space that doesn't disrupt the garden's peaceful flow yet provides valuable storage and changing areas for swimmers. 11. Seating areas gather friends together. A minimalist garden seating arrangement combines clean lines and natural materials to create a perfect spot for both solitude and socializing. The thoughtful pairing of a linear concrete bench with a modern wicker chair offers flexible seating that adapts to different gathering sizes, while the sleek teak side table provides a practical surface for drinks and snacks without cluttering the space. Creating a serene outdoor retreat comes naturally with this setup, as the geometric outdoor rug defines the conversation area, while the sculptural grass and olive tree add just enough organic movement to keep the space feeling alive but not overwhelming. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and inspiration for creating the garden of your dreams. Let me know in the comments below which shrub was your favorite, or if you have any questions about designing with shrubs. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy gardening!